So, ano nga ba yung biggest misconception when it comes sa pagkuha ng premium client? The main misconception na nakikita ko and I have personally experienced when it comes to getting premium clients, especially if ikaw ay marketer, ikaw ay freelancer, or ikaw ay agency owner, or maybe you are a service-based business, is that mahirap makakuha ng premium client. And what I have realized is that hindi mahirap makakuha ng premium client. It's just that, are you expressing yung value na pwede mong ma-deliver sa mga people na to na bibili ng services mo with a premium? At the end of the day, pare-parehas lang naman ang services But why is it that some people can charge higher compared to another? Simply because of how are you communicating yung value mo. Madali lang mag-charge na malaki. But the thing is, can you follow through with the price that you put on the service na ino-offer mo? Can you deliver it? Can you deliver the promise? Can you deliver the outcome na binigay mo? Because when it comes to this premium clients, ang pinakamahalaga lang naman is number one, yung results, and also kung kaya mo bang ma-deliver yung mga promises mo. Because if hindi mo ma-deliver yan, hindi ka na makakaulit. More than just figuring out on how to find premium clients, ask yourself then kung paano mo ba ma-enhance yung capacity mo to handle these premium clients and deliver the results or deliver the value that they will be willing to pay for.